Hello, welcome to a new video from Barcelona, Spain. I'm at the Barcelona beach in Spain now. It is evening, actually it's afternoon, but based on the Europe, sun sets very quickly and sunrise very late, after 8:30 sunrise, and sunsets before 5 something. So it's going to be sunset, and let me show you the beautiful view of Barcelona beach. People now, they are fishing. Nobody's swimming, but it's fishing. It's cold, and the beach is so crystal clean. It's beautiful. Honestly, it's really beautiful. It's golden sand here, and beach is so clean and beautiful. So let me show you. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, share, and hit the bell icon for next video notification. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link in description. Thank you very much. Continue watching. Let me show you around. How beautiful is blue sky, so clean water. Wow, doggy is enjoying. Yo, looks like German Shepherd. Okay, yeah, it's cool. It's really cool. Look at the long beach, quite far. And other side there's some construction, I believe, is going on, and there are crews and ships standing there. I believe it's a private, but it looks really cool. It's clean, and it's showers almost every corner. Like after a few meters you can find a shower for those people are swimming in the summertime. It's easy to get here. Yeah, it's really nice. Doggy is trying very hard. I'm not sure what he's looking for, but it's really nice. And look at the sunset view also from here. Wow, it's beautiful. And there's open gym. A lot of people are doing workout. It's open gym. This is awesome. This is beautiful. Wow. So lovely. Okay guys, keep watching. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See you in next video. I'm not sure what's the time you're watching video. Is it night or morning or afternoon? But anyways, it's all the way is great. Always great. Bye.